Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix POCO X6 Pro battery drain issues. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering what are the steps or what are the things that you could do here to improve the battery life of your phone. Well, improving it, generally speaking, actually depends on the manufacturer. Now, if you're noticing that your battery is draining a lot, then it means there might be some issues on the battery itself, or that's just how the phone or the battery of that phone is built. But in some cases, you can try a few things here to basically make it last longer. So one of those is to make sure that you manage your apps. Now, if you're using a lot of apps here, like mine, I have a lot of apps here that I'm using. Well, in this case, the best next thing that you could do here is to make sure that you limit some of the power on the apps that is using a lot of power. Like, for example, I'm playing Brawl Stars here. So in this case, you want to go ahead and press and hold on it. You want to go to the eye icon. And from here in the battery, you go ahead and see the data for it. So if you're using it, you should see how the percentage it's actually consuming. Now, the thing here is we want to go ahead and change a few settings. So what we are looking for is going to be the battery saver option. Let's go and click on it. Now, from here, if you have this set to no restrictions, I would recommend you to choose the battery saver option, which is the recommended setting here. But in this case, go ahead and select that, go back, and basically do this for other apps that you know that is heavy in power. So in this case, it will actually save you a lot of power. Now, another thing that you want to do here is to change some of your display settings. Now, you might not believe this as something as easy as changing your actual look can change or help you a lot with your battery drain issues. So in this case, I actually like using the dark mode for my phone. So usually it will look like this one, like a sun that has eclipse on it. So in this case, you want to go ahead and select that, and that actually turns on dark mode. Now, turning on dark mode actually reduces the brightness of your screen. So it doesn't actually it no longer pushes your phone to input or give that white look on certain apps. So especially if you're using or if the apps that you're using depends on the theme that you're currently using. So if you have dark mode here, it actually saves you power, which in turns actually reduces the battery drain here. Now, another thing you could do is you want to also go to your settings here and go to your display. Let's go to display and brightness. Now, what I like doing here is I want to also disable auto brightness here, because auto brightness actually increases your brightness depending on the sun, or like for example, if the outer is too bright, you won't be able to see your screen, so it automatically changes your brightness. But in this case, you want to go ahead and make sure that it's actually steady. Now, in this case, you want to go ahead and change your brightness on your preference, depending on your preference here. So in this case, you want to reduce that, go ahead to save some power. Now, also, you could go to the refresh rate section here, and you want to go ahead and change this to custom instead of default. Because if you have this in high, because if your, like for example, your phone is capable or has a lot of battery, it will automatically switch to 120 hertz, which in this case might drain your power or your battery a lot more. So in this case, choose custom, and you want to make sure that your refresh rate is 60 constantly. Now, in this case, you could go and go back here on the previous pages and start enjoying your phone. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So those are a few steps that you could try here to improve the battery life or battery drain issues on your phone. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.